welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing another protein treatment because, as we already know, my hair got heat damage when I straightened it 2 times in 1 year, and so now I'm trying to come back from that. And with doing that, I decided to do my protein treatments. One, because I never had them before until December. That was my first time in 6 years that I had a protein treatment, and so I want to keep them up as long as I feel like my hair needs it. And right now it needs it because I had a stressful 2 weeks just about, and I just need my hair to have a pick-me-up. So I just shampooed it using my Eva NYC Clean Up shampoo. Really good, but it is a bit stripping, so my hair does feel, already like dry and whatnot. And I know this protein treatment is not going to help, but I will follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. But today's protein treatment will be a new one I just picked up. It is the Botanika Beauty the Mender protein treatment. Now, I was watching my girl NJ Everhart, and she got this, and I was like, I want to try a protein treatment that's like a little bit better for your hair. And this one came up, and so I bought it on Amazon. It was like $11-12, so really affordable. You get a lot. You get 12 ounces, and it's a little bit better for your hair from what I've been seeing. So the directions say to shampoo hair thoroughly and towel dry, apply the Mender and carefully saturate hair with treatment evenly by brushing through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Do not massage or tangle hair. Leave on for 15 minutes and rinse well with warm water. The Mender protein treatment can be used once every 4 to 6 weeks. And my last protein treatment was in December, like I said, so it's been over 2 months now, and so I can definitely go for some more. And then it says, for goddess tips to achieve pound hair goals and get the most effective results, follow up with their revitalizer. So I didn't get the revitalizers, I just got this, and I'm gonna just follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. So yeah, this doesn't say anything about heat or anything like that, so I won't apply any. Some of the ingredients are water, hydrolyzed collagen, some things I can't pronounce, leaf extract, hydrolyzed egg protein, citric acid, some other stuff. Really good ingredients, it looks like, but yeah, just make sure you always do your research before using anything. So yeah, let's just get started because my hair needs it so badly. This is what we're looking like before. My hair has been having a hard time my hair has been having a hard time defining. It's just blah. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start in the back. This is what my hair is looking like. Just frizzy, no definition, dry, a little straggly looking, all that. You can kind of see where I would have to cut. I keep bringing that up because I want to cut, but I also don't. But anyways, let me get a smaller section. I feel like every time I touch my hair, it just breaks off, so I really need this. So it's very liquidy, but also has like a gel type of look to it. But it will run down your hand. It smells like fresh. So I'm mostly going to focus on the ends of my hair because that's what it needed the most. Okay, so I applied it and detangled, and I'll apply a little bit more, and then that's it. I'll move on. It is a lot easier to apply than the Afro Sheet one, which is the one I did before this, and look like it's giving me some curl definition because you guys seen before there was none. I'm gonna just move on. If I have anything to say, I'll come back in, but for the most part, I'm just gonna apply this to my hair. The real results is when we rinse it out. Alright, so I just finished. I used a good amount. I feel like I can't really see, but I feel like I'm like about here maybe. Yeah, I feel like I'm like about here. So it was definitely full to the top. My hair is starting to shrink up, which is good. I just finished this side. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes like it says. I'm gonna come back when it's dry, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. But the back is completely gone. It like shrunk up. So yeah, I'll be back in 15 minutes, and then we'll talk some more. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes, and this is what my hair is looking like. It is dry in some parts, like crunchy dry, but most is pretty soft. My back shrunk up a lot. I got some curl definition, more than I had before. Definitely more definition than I had before. So yeah, I'm gonna rinse it out and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. It took about like 5 minutes to rinse out the product out of my hair. I wanted to make sure I got all of it. I had really good definition when I was rinsing my hair out. I still have some, but not a lot. But my hair does feel definitely stronger. As with the Afro G, I didn't feel like it did much to my hair. I just felt like it kind of sat on my hair and I rinsed it off, and then that was that. But this, I do feel the strength. My hair has some bounce back to it. You know, it's not just looking all bad. Like, it's still bad because I need to trim, but it's not that bad. Definitely better. I got some shine going on. And now I'm about to follow up with my deep conditioner. So 10 out of 10 would recommend this. But you will have to do your research first, of course, to make sure that your hair can handle it, that you actually need it, and all this other stuff. I feel like I know my hair enough that I needed this, and now it feels a lot better. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just, you know, use at your own risk. This stuff is strong, and I really do like it. I do plan on finishing up my Afro G, but once that's done, this is probably the only bay I will buy. Unless you guys know about something else, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.